Hi friends, I just want to talk to you. Not preach, not argue, just talk. This is Dr. Mark. I'm a longtime animal advocate, author, and journalist. This is a conversation about animals. But more than that, it's about your soul. So why am I here? I spent years rescuing animals, investigating and exposing cruelty, creating animal channels, writing books, not for fame, not for money, but because I deeply care. Animals are innocent. And in today's world, they are disposable. We cage them, we starve them, we beat them, we abandon them, and yet we call ourselves good people. Well, I'm here to say this. How you treat animals reveals exactly who you are. This message is not just for animal lovers. It's for those who don't own pets and don't care. It's for the ones who do, but don't treat them as family. It's for hunters who call killing a sport, who can look an animal in the eye and pull the trigger. Then they say it's for population control or conservation. No, killing for pleasure is not compassion. It is destruction, and it leaves a stain on your soul. This is also for law enforcement who won't enforce animal cruelty laws, for government officials who stay silent, for pastors and priests who never mention God's creatures from the pulpit. This is for every single one of you who chooses indifference. You can go to church every Sunday, you can donate money, you can say grace before meals, even smile to strangers. But none of these things mask who you really are, because your soul is exposed by what you ignore. If you can watch suffering and walk away, if you can abandon a pet, turn away from a starving dog, throw kittens to the roadside, kill a beautiful living animal, talk about an injured deer and how it got away, justify cruelty, then what does that say about your heart? You may not be hurting anyone you know, but the truth is, you're hurting everything God created. This is your moment. Look in the mirror and ask yourself, am I the person I claim to be? Or have I become numb, selfish, cold? You say things like, it's just an animal. I mind my own business. I don't hurt anyone. It's legal. It's tradition. But that's not righteousness. That's rationalization. And it's leading you somewhere you may not want to go. There is a soul on the line here, and it is yours. This video might be the most important one I ever make, because I'm not just trying to protect animals, I am trying to save your soul. Please don't lose your soul over pride, comfort, or tradition. Turn your life around now. Start giving. Stop taking. Look at every living being, human or animal, and treat them with sacred respect. Not because I said so, but because God already did. You don't have to believe me. Just open the Bible. It's all there, from Genesis to Revelations. God cares for His creation, and He is watching. So my friend, you still have time, but not forever. Please choose love, choose mercy, choose life. Give back. Stop taking before it's too late. We're all here for a short time. So the question is, where will you spend your eternity? This was Dr. Mark. Thank you for listening, and God bless.